one more time to Bitbrother's Crypto, a place where you learn and discover new opportunities for you to invest your money. Of course, here is not a financial advice, but it's a place where we do our best to bring the best information possible for you. And of course, if it's your first time here, remember to Papa Lego is calling me. Remember to send your. Let me just 1 sec. Papa, we live, Papa.
We live.
And I'm speaking to you live.
Oh, beautiful. Okay, I'll be there following you because I was in our channel and I didn't see the link. Okay, I'll follow you.
Yeah, we are live.
Sorry.
We are live. Okay, guys. Bye-bye, Papa Legos. So, welcome more time. If it's your first time here, please subscribe to the channel. Smash the like button and follow us here. I'm gonna be alone for the whole week today. As you saw, Papa just called me here. He is in. I'm gonna tell you where he is. He just arrived there. So Papa gonna be with us, but Papa gonna be with us on the YouTube link. Okay. So if anybody wanna send Papa a message, you can send. He's on the comments there. He just said hey. So that's Papa writing. Papa at the moment is in Maldivas. So Papa's in Maldivas, and that's why I'm gonna be doing the show alone today. Okay, so welcome to Bitbrother's Life, our weekly show in English, which is great. Let me go back here so we can start the show. I have some news, guys, very interesting news for you today, and let's start with Bitcoin. No, before that, because Papa does this part, let's do the markets very fast so I can get straight into the some news. We still here at almost $2 trillion. Yesterday I think we're very similar here, maybe a couple of millions down, but we are at $1,908,000,000. So and Paraguay is quite low compared to yesterday. It's 60 Paraguays in order to make any transaction on the Ethereum network. It's good. The last 7 days, Bitcoin has grown 12%. That's amazing. And in the last 24 hours, 1.75, as you can see here. Ethereum also above the 3,000, which is great. So in the last 7 days, 10%, and have been down on the last 24 hours, 0.21%, which is okay. We always have a little retracement, right? And so is with all the other coins. But very nice here. XRP is doing quite well, 35% on the last 7 days, and 9% on the last 24 hours. Very good. I like a lot Cardano. Everybody knows that we like Cardano here on the channel, but it's still struggling here, although the 10% on the last 7 days. It's been down 0.53% on the last 24 hours. Solana done 2% only, walking a little bit sideways here. Luna, I really like the ecosystem of Luna. 7% on the last 7 days. Very nice. Shiba again going 47%. 47. My God, Shiba is doing great actually, guys. Shiba is doing great. 47% on the last 7 days, 13% on the last 24 hours. It's well. And also Polygon Matic, 14% on the last 7 days, 3% on the last 3.61% on the last 24 hours. Okay, this is very interesting, very good, very nice. On the channel, new things we have here on the channel. I have done, if you check on our channel, our last video was a project that's going to be happening on the Pulse chain. It's in English. called Free Post. It's a freepost.io is the site. Please go there on the video, check it out. You can claim up to $200 on free PLS per hour. That's really cool. It's work a little bit like games, like gambling games. I'm not into gambling games, but this is a very interesting project. Have a look on the video because I explain more about the video there. And stay with me here because I have one very nice news on a public sale of a project. So that's that. What else? This is about, I would like to start with this. Bitcoin's Lightning Network goes live. And this is a very nice, because it's a very big achievement. On Cash App mentioned that Lightning Network featuring is unavailable to users located in New York. So if you live in New York, it's unavailable, I'm afraid. Mobile payment service Cash App reveals that Lightning Network can now be used to transfer Bitcoins through its app. So now basically, if you are somebody who uses this application, you will be able to send Bitcoins without paying. Its user can send the BTC to any Lightning or on-chain BTC address. That's very nice. They have a small video here. Let's check. No, it's just a 3-second thing. A few weeks ago, the company announced through a notification within the app that has integrated the Lightning Network. Now, its user can finally use the feature and utilize the benefits that the Bitcoin Lightning Network brings into everyday BTC transactions. This is quite nice. To use Lightning Network on Cash App, users need to scan and Lightning the QR code using the camera, confirm the details and blah and you guys know this stuff. While many users rejoined that they are able to use the Lightning Network featuring through the Cash App, some could only watch. As the firm mentioned a few weeks ago, the feature will be available everywhere in the United States apart from the New York. Okay, so basically it's open anywhere but New York. So guys from New York City, unfortunately, for the time being, you will not be able to use this. But it's a great feature coming to Bitcoin, meaning you can start sending Bitcoins now, especially if you do use the Lightning or the Cash App on your phone. So this is really nice. I like that a lot. QR Assets launched DeFi ETF on Brazilian stock exchange. The reason I'm bringing this news is, first, of course, I am Brazilian myself, me and Papa. So the DeFi ETF would be one of the first of its kind and follow the Bloomberg DeFi Index that tracks 11 DeFi protocols. Brazilian crypto assets manager, QR Assets, has launched a decentralized finance exchange trade fund, or DeFi ETF, on the Brazilian stock exchange. The DeFi ETF, called KDFI11, would track the Bloomberg DeFi Index and make 100% of its investments in real DeFi assets. The DeFi Index track Uniswap, AIF, decentralized lending pool, MarkDAO, Compound, Ear Finance, SushiSwap, and ZRX, Synthetics, and Curve. That's very interesting, because the good things of ETFs that it brings more people to the crypto world, and people who don't really like to invest or go and buy on the decentralized finance or exchange, whatever, they can use the ETF in order to, they put their money there, and there will be, in this case here, 6 protocol of DeFi on it. So it's very interesting, especially for the Brazilians who are invested in Bitcoins. And in Brazil, guys, Brazilians are going full on in crypto, and it's beautiful to watch, because we are Brazilian, myself and Papa, and we know that the future is within blockchain technology and cryptocurrency. So having a third world country like Brazil, like El Salvador, like any Latin American countries, get involved full on in Bitcoins or in cryptocurrency, DeFi, and all of the NFTs and so on is awesome, because it means people are looking to invest, looking to gain more knowledge within this world, and this is amazing, not only for the space for us who are already in crypto, but for people, for the world in general, right? Um, by the way, guys, have you already smashed the like button? If this you're just watching this video later, have you subscribed to the channel? Remember, we have 80% of the people watching our videos and are not subscribed to the channel. So please do subscribe to the channel and become part of the Bit family. Here you will see Papa Bitbrother on Twitter and Casquinha Crypto on Twitter. You can also follow us on Bitbrother's Crypto, underline crypto on Instagram. That was news. This news here. This we just saw Shiba, right? The market of Shiba. Shiba surged 33% in a week, as 3.5 billion infused into Shiba's new market cap. We saw there was 47% actually. It's amazing. It's amazing. They're growing crazy. Shiba recently lost holding address early this month. Find Old revealed that between January 28 and February 3, Shiba lost 4,223 holding address, bringing the total number of holding address down to 1,161,601, according to statistic from CoinMarkup. The decline brought Shiba's almost 3 months new holders gain run to a stop, which has begun in November. Why is Shiba's price spiking? Notable, the meme cryptocurrency has had a busy start on the year, as network has seen a flurry of activity in the last few weeks. Guys, we talk about coins here, right? But the meme coins like Shiba, for example, they have Shiba coins. It is and is not a meme coins. It is a meme in the concept of it has the Shiba Inu dog there and all of this, and we know how volatile is everything. We know all of that, right? But if we go to the chart here, it's crazy. Look, it has done a massive spike here, and for me, it's all to do within the ecosystem of Shiba. Okay. It's not financial advice here, but it is a coin to look to it, because they're building a lot of things here on the ecosystems. It's a ecosystem, Shiba ecosystem. From its conception, Shiba Inu has done things differently. It starts with supply of 1 quadrillion. Our founder, blah blah blah. Locked 50% in Uniswap, then burned the 1/2 of the Ethereum. We know this story, right, about Vitalik burning the other parts to help reverse the devastating spread of COVID. We know this. But basically, they have the community is huge. They are getting into NFTs and so on. So I think the ecosystem is interesting, and I mean, it's high risk. Remember. Anything to do with meme coins is high risk, high rewards. That's the way you play, okay? But I mean, if you get in here and go up all the way to the all-time high here, interesting. Okay, the coins that I would like to talk about today. Let me see if there is any other more interesting news here that I took for you guys. No, I don't want to. Here, I would like to talk a little bit about these coins here. Cadena. Let me go find the Cadena here. Cadena. Cadena ou Cadena? Cadena. In Portuguese, we would say in Brazil, cadena. In English, cadena would be cadena. Okay. As we can see here, Cadena, similar like Shiba, right? Had a massive spike here. The all-time high of Cadena, it's around $18, if I'm not wrong, or $20. So all-time high, all-time low, all-time high, $28, 28.25. It's $20 cheaper at this present moment. Cadena, okay, $8.62. Okay. Build the future. Let me open. 1 second. I'm going to show you something else after. On the Cadena. Build without compromise. Cadena makes blockchain work for everyone. Our ecosystem provides the security of Bitcoin, virtually free gas, unparalleled throughput, and smaller contract. Safe smart contract, no cost for transaction, energy efficient at scale, proven security, industrial scalability. Here are the partners. We have Terra Luna Parks, Polkadot, Ledger. It's nice. It's nice. I like it. Here, the ecosystem. They started to build the ecosystem. You can join the ecosystem here. I guess this is where they sell. So let's see here, category. DeFi, DEX. So they're launching this project here, this DEX. Cadets is the first gas-free DEX built on Cadena blockchain. Okay, wait, I'll go there after to finish. Let's finish here with the Cadena. Cadena, the completed package. DeFi NFTs payments, interrupt relays, governance, engineer for real-world use. Here, guys, they also have on the ecosystem, they also have, so this is one I'm going to talk about now, and they also have gaming. And the first gaming they have, where is it? They have a, look, NFT launchpad. Where's the game? Because I know the game they are using here, it is UFO, right? I talk about in the channel about UFO gaming, and the UFO gaming are also here. I don't know why I cannot find it here. Anyway, UFO gaming is also on the ecosystem of Cadena. Okay. Okay, so this is very interesting because it's the first gas. Let me put it up here. There's a public sale going on right now, which will finish on the 15th, and I'm going to show you guys. I already got on the Discord, where here, general. I went here and I asked to the guys here, how is it going? Is the whitelist on public sale? What is going? And the guy said, there is no whitelist. I was confusing here. Am I speaking English or in Portuguese? No whitelist, public sale. The public sale is live and kicking right now. Opens until the 15th of the month. So you can actually be part now of the public sale. If you want to take part on this IDO, public sale until the 15th of the month, right? Today's the 8th. So until the 15th, this is going to be open. So Cadets is the first gas-free DEX built on the Cadena blockchain. That's very cool, guys, because what else do we want than a free DEX, a free gas, a decentralized exchange, and free of gas? This is awesome, right? So after the announcement, blah, 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 the Cadets teams asked, hi, let's see if there is anything relevant for me to say here. Let me try to go here to see, and then I'll talk about for you. This is the little paper, the public sale information. Let's put this here, so I'll tell you about the information as well on the pre-sale. And here the guide. You guys can also, more than welcome to come here and check this out after, okay? I just want to check here if there is any. Let's get the little paper because it will tell here for us. Is an interesting. So Why Cadets? Cadets is innovation is defined by the juxtaposition of the current state of DeFi, by the cost and trading off accepted by its user. To understand the depth of what Cadets achieve, we must first understand the shortcoming of the current DeFi ecosystem. At high level, Cadina's multi-chain drive scalability with Cadets gas station means no gas cost. This is awesome. No gas prioritization for trading. Lightning fast trades on a layer 1 blockchain. Pole security made strong with braided chain. Infinitely scalable, able to meet any futures throughput demand, fair token launch, no venture capital investors, VCs, involved with fair distribution. This is very, very nice because it's fair distribution about everybody who would like to take part. Liquidity mining 2.0, sustainability, KDX reward emission, run by a decentralized autonomous organization, a DAO, truly democratic and open to all. That's very, 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 very nice. I like that. It's a DEX, so it's a decentralized exchange. It's very, very interesting. I like, especially if you can take part on it, on the pre-sale. Remember, getting earlier is much, much nicer. The pre-sales purchase guide, fellow Gadexians. The sale is getting close and close. By the way, start today. Huh? We have developed a step-by-step guide here. Make sure to use your secure account. Create accounts. So you can get into the Discord. Step 1 navigation. So sign in with your register and verify tokens account by clicking on the sign in. I already done this today. Before starting here, I was checking and I did this today. So you need to come here to this link. I can actually drop the link for you guys on the comments here. So the messages are there. So basically here, it takes a little while because you need to do a KYC. KYC basically is the verification process, okay? You are now queued for the Cadets public sale. This is the actual line for sale. You will have to wait for your turn before you can enter the website. Therefore, make sure you set up an email reminder by including your email address in the box on the button on the bottom, so you do not miss out when it's your turn. So basically, you get in a line in order to be able to buy the pre-sale. This is very, very nice. I like the way they did. But before that, you must do your QYC, which is your, you saw here, right? You need to do basically your verification process. Right, so you need to verify yourself that's you, it's you. So you need to send your document, passport, whatever. I did this morning myself, and you take a selfie and you send and you upload there. Your identity is not verified. So they sent to me, it takes a little while. So, but because it will run until the 15th of the month, it's very nice, and I'll definitely will try to take part on this. Casquinha, is this a good idea? It's interesting. I'm not sure if this is gonna be it will make me millions, but it's interesting. I like to get in projects early, especially if the project will be for example, now is in Cadena ecosystem. I like Cadena. I believe Cadena have a very strong potential to grow. So why not be involved in a project that is connected to it? So I like not financial advice, but you have to do your own research. And very important, guys, when we say here, you have to do your own research, really do your own research. Don't take YouTubers, influencers, the Bitbrothers, the BitBoy, the CryptoBunter, the whoever words for it. Because we also watch these shows. We also follow crypto influencers. We also do our research, but we check the research. We also check, because it's important that you do that for yourself, for you to be, remember, it's your money, it's not my money. So wherever you will put your money is important that you do research. Remember, as we always say here in the channel, the more you know, the more you study, the more you understand the process, the better will be your judgment when it comes the time for you to take decisions. Okay. Another thing very important here, we do not get paid by any of the projects that we put here. So Kavina and Cadets has not paid us to shield the project. ImpulseX have not shielded, they did not pay us to shield the project. PulseX and PulseChain, Hex, they have not, Richard Hart have not paid us to shield the project. The way we the way we talk about projects is first, we believe that the project first, we do a research and check if the team is good, the community is big, the community is engaged, the community is strong, the projects have utility, the projects have purpose and will bring benefit to our community, to our followers. If we believe that this is a project that can benefit our viewers and our community, it's when we discuss among myself and Papalegas, and we see, okay, let's do a video on this project because we believe the project to be good. And that's why we bring projects here. We don't get paid here. As you can see on the top, I don't know if I think it's your top right, there is their sponsor the channel. But at the moment, we have no sponsor for the channel. But if we do have a sponsor for the channel in the crypto space, of course, we're going to have the person's logo there. Although we will try, or we do our best to choose the best sponsor to the channel. We are a small crypto channel that we have a lot to grow still, but don't worry, we don't bring here just because they are paying us or because they are paying us if the project is not beneficial to our community. Okay. Anyway, public sale information on the Cadets. When is the public sale? The public sale is in February 1st. It's in February 1st. So it started already. So it started. It doesn't start today. Today is the 8th. February 1st, how much each Cadex and how much can I buy? Each Cadex price is at 16 cents. But I checked there, I think it's already 20 cents, if I'm not wrong, okay? And users can buy up to 100,000 Cadex. This is nice. This is for the public sale, yes. Where is the public sale? The public sale will host it on Talksoft. Is that site? We just saw it. We did a little guidelines there, yeah? Be sure you are already registered for it. So you have to register and do all of that. Okay, so we have to go there, register. And then you're going to go, how do I register? There is all the explanation here. This I'm going to also leave in the comments. So you guys can check this out. It's very, very nice. You guys can check this also. The site will go live for curing in the sales of base February 1st. So since February 1st is there, it's as we saw here on the Twitter, on Cadets to official Twitter, they told me, because I asked them there, where is it? They told me here, they told me here is open until the 15th. So I guess gonna be up to the 15th if the token doesn't run out, I guess. Why can I buy if you are US citizens, I'm afraid you cannot buy. So only for non-US citizens. So please do your research to check this so you don't start spending money or putting money where you're not allowed. You must use MetaMask or Polkadot JS. Accept currency include USDC, USDT, ETH, or DOT. This is interesting to know. So you're going to be able to use your MetaMask, and probably on the Ethereum blockchain, you can pay with Ethereum. If we buy with DOT, will you be able to use instead of MetaMask? Yes, you can use your Polkadot wallet, okay? If you don't know what Polkadot wallet is, Can you see it on top? You cannot see because I have the thing in front. Anyway, if you just Google polkadot.js, it will come up, okay? Maximum amounts one can purchase in the upcoming sale. We just said 100,000. Any other relevant question here? We have a QYC. This sales complete, so sadly US participant. No, the US participant cannot participate. Cadent token information. This I explained yesterday in one of my other live. A token are locked. So this is important. How long are the token locked? So this is important when you buy an IDO. Tokens are locked for 12 months total, with 50% unlock at 6 months, 25% unlock within 9 months, and 25% unlock within 12 months. So bear this in mind. If you're going to invest, this is the time lock. Okay, lock, no, you're not going to be able to use it. Will there be our Cadets airdrop? No, no airdrops. Through which network will the token be purchased? We are going through Tokensoft for the public sale linked. So you can, as we said, you can use MetaMask or Polkadot. Polkadot. How many rounds do you plan to have? First of February, one of for 90 millions, 9% token. The conditions of that sale will, of course, be depends on the result of the first sale. Will the additional 9% token sales also be through Tokensoft? Yes. So everything's going to happen on that platform. Will the remaining 9% also have a locked-up period? Yes. Okay, so this is also important to know. Okay, so everything's going to have a lock period. Can you give an overview of when all 1 billion token will be released? We are not going to release 1 billion token at the pre-sale or at the launch. The token distribution is as follows: 5% to the team, 40% network rewards, 25% DAO treasurer, 30% community sale. We are not announcing a mission at this time, as planned are subject to change based on makers, condition, and etc. Can I buy through Polygon chain and MetaMask? No, it will have to be Ethereum mainnet. Cadets launch dates, we will be launched Q1 2022, so soon. Why no VCs? I think a lot of us share a mindset and thought on the team around crypto. VCs, some ask for huge discounts and token allocation, which leads to feeling similar to being taken advantage of in same ways. We have decided that in effort to fully decentralize that, ultimately, it should be the users that run the project. This is really cool. I like that a lot. Yeah, guys, it looks very nice project. I mean, how more can I explain the project and tell you? If you want to get involved, I think I said everything here to get involved if you want in this project. Is connected to Cadena. I believe Cadena have a strong potential to grow still if you'd like to actually be involved on the first layer coins of the Cadena ecosystem, which is Cadena. I talk about the Cadena as well and the ecosystem here. They are building a lot of stuff on Cadena, so it's a coin to be with your eyes open for it. Okay. Yeah, I think we covered everything. 2 weeks ago, I heard you guys talk about Cadena, and I took the opportunity to buy at Fortnite. Perfect. So you double your money. Brasileiro vivendo na Grécia. Very nice, guys. We have 4 people watching us today live. Thank you so much. Leave your like and subscribe to the channel. Remember to check our latest video in English. Tomorrow we come back to the show with a Portuguese live show and some new other videos that we are planning for you guys. Thank you so much for being part here today. Remember that let's send our energy to Papa. Papa, lots of energy for you there in Maldivas. Not bad at all. He's in Maldivas. And we are here. I'm the cold side today. It's very cold here. So thank you very much, everyone. Subscribe to the channel. Smash the like button. And follow us on Twitter because there's a lot of things happen. All our lives going to be similar thumbnail there. Bitbrothers live and Bitbrothers ao vivo on the Portuguese live shows. Okay, leave your comments, engage with our content, and help us to grow our channel. We would like you to be part of our Bit family. All right, thank you very much, and I'll see you guys next time. And remember, if you're gonna make any sort of investment, make sure that you know exactly what you are doing. Be conscious about it.